मार्केट में शैम्पूज की लिस्ट खत्म ही नहीं होती. हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल, एंटी ब्रेकेज, डैमेज रिपेयर. बट वी एट पेरेने टॉक अबाउट ओवरऑल स्कैल्प हेल्थ. We talk about root cause. That's why we have hair strengthening range. That is why Perenne emphasis on hair strengthening. Welcome back to the Founder's Diary. I am Ritu Khanna, founder of Perenne Cosmetics. और आज हम बात करेंगे कि हमने हेयर फॉल कंट्रोल रेंज की जगह हेयर स्ट्रेंथनिंग रेंज क्यों लॉन्च की है. Why hair strengthening is the real 360 degree solution. Hair fall control is only one part of the story. Hair strengthening means पूरी कहानी. Healthy scalp, strong roots, resilient strands, smooth and protected tip. जब तक हर layer strong नहीं होता तब तक आपको पूरी तरह result नहीं मिल सकता. Our complete hair strengthening routine. Perenne strengthening kit, sulfate-free shampoo, conditioner, serum with Redensyl, Anagen and Bicapil, the most important, hair oil with 10 plus botanical actives, and hair mask with Root Biotech and Black Seed Oil. और जिन लोगों के स्कैल्प ऑयली, ग्रीसी या फ्लेकी हैं, so we have special clarifying shampoo. And why people can't switch back? हमें रोज डीएम आते हैं कि हमारा ऑर्डर जल्दी डिलीवर कराइए, मेरा शैम्पू खत्म हो गया है, मुझे एक दिन में डिलीवरी चाहिए. बिकॉज जो पेरेने ट्राई कर रहा है, he can't switch to any other shampoo. Reason? Premium quality and result driven actives. Once you feel the difference, you can't go back. What makes Perenne different? So maximum shampoos 99% यही बोलते हैं hair fall control करता है. But we go deeper. So our range has onion extract and Redensyl for stronger roots, less hair fall. We have used hydrolyzed keratin to protect hair damage and repair. We have used wheat protein and lotus extract, which nourishes scalp. And we have used Root Biotech for thicker and dense hair. Our and most special of all, Perenne Hair Strengthening Serum. It has Redensyl 3%, it has Anagen 2%, and then it has Bicapil 2%. And all these ingredients are globally sourced from renowned companies, which makes it a potent product for controlling hair fall and promoting scalp health. This is the most important step of your hair care routine. ये एक 360 degree strengthening ecosystem है, which is very important for your hair. Results that speak for themselves. 4 to 6 weeks अगर आप regularly use कर रहे हो, you will see the significant difference and a positive result. Hair fall visibly कम हो जाता है, strengthen हो जाते हैं strands और scalp आपका healthy हो जाता है, आपके hair dense और thick हो जाएंगे. So जिनको भी hair thinning की problem है और because of any problem, चाहे आपका postpartum की वजह से है, चाहे hormonal imbalance की वजह से है, चाहे thyroid की वजह से है, all the problems lead to immense hair fall. So this 360 degree ecosystem of hair strengthening range helps you a lot. Every person has a different journey, but one thing is same. Consistency is equal to the result. That is why हम hair control नहीं, hair strengthening promote करते हैं. क्योंकि जब आप strands को strengthen करते हो, scalp को heal करते हो, तो dullness, hair fall, breakage, freeze सब control हो जाता है, and so hair fall भी control होता है और hair की regrowth भी होती है. When scalp is nourished and your scalp is healthy. This is the difference between normal hair control thing and Perenne Hair Strengthening Kit. Drop a hair emoji if you believe in strengthening from root to the tip, not just masking hair fall. और मुझे बताएं कि आप कौन सा हेयर रूटीन का स्टेप सबसे ज्यादा स्किप करते हैं. Join 1 billion plus strong hair believers who say the same. Once you try Perenne, you never switch back.